Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and I'll be mixing up some cocktails for you today. So, I just found this one. Haven't tried it. Really curious about it because it's really herbal, right? It's called the Smoke Show. But it doesn't really incorporate smoke. But you get the smoke from your mezcal, right? When I say it's kind of herbal, right, you got your Cynar, which is herbal, and you got your Green Chartreuse, which you can't get more herbal than this, right? If you know, you know. And you incorporate a little lemon juice, a little simple syrup, and it goes, you're supposed to use an egg white. I have been really on this fee foam. Instead of using egg whites, it does the same thing. Right, you should check it out. Some down in the description. Get your own, but it works really well instead of using egg whites. So, and I have egg whites. I just rather just use that instead. I have nothing against using eggs. I eat raw eggs, eat raw meat, eat all kind of raw stuff. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's get started. First, we got to go 2 ounces of our mezcal. It's time for a new bottle. This is the one, got a couple of worms in the bottom of it. So I guess I gotta take care of those when I get to the end, right? Next, we're gonna go just a 1/4 ounce of our Cynar. Just a 1/4 ounce. I got a worm. I guess that's one of them. I'm like, what is that floating? That's a worm. Anyway, next we got to go 1/4 ounce again of our Green Chartreuse. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce. Actually, that's the lime juice. Half an ounce of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. And next we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of some simple syrup, a little sweet treat. And that worm is just floating. So I'm going to give it a good little stir to chill it. And then I will add my fee foam in order to foam it up. Got my shaker. I guess I won't get the worm. There you go, right there. You know what? We getting a worm. It's only right. So now I want to add about 3 dashes of our fee foam. Give this a really good shake. Got us a coupe glass. We're going to double strain it just to enhance. Look at there. Oh yeah, that's nice. See, that fee foam does just as good of a job as an egg white. Look at there. Anyway, let's try it without the worm. So the herbal liqueurs that I added, it adds to the smoke, right? I feel like the smoke from the mezcal gets intensified with those. Because even though I didn't smoke this with a smoke gun, this tastes like a smoked cocktail, hence the name Smoke Show. I like it. I really, really enjoy it. With that, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And check the description for that fee phone. I'm telling you, it works. As you can see, it works just as good as egg whites. And if you're a vegan or vegetarian, I don't know if it's vegan friendly, but it's, yeah. But anyway, try it anyway. Till next time. Cheers.